So here's the thing. I was asked by one of my best friends back in Germany to do her wedding cake. And that is quite cool, I think. So now I need to get my cake, and I'm here in London right now. I need to go to Germany, have the cake ready by Saturday. Saturday is 3 days away. And yes, let's get the cake. Alright, you ready to see how we do cakes here? 1 second. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. This is how we do it. Alright, this was super easy, wasn't it? Cake is here, and now we go to Germany. And we finally made it into the beautiful Black Forest. So is the cake. Right, so we just cut all 4 of our sponges. Next up, I've got some sugar syrup with elderflower cordial in it, and I've got some white chocolate ganache. We're gonna soak every single sponge in the sugar syrup, and then afterwards we whip up the white chocolate ganache with some whipping cream to get it a little bit of a stand, and then we set our cakes. Then you use like a dough scraper or something to just even out the sides. In one go. This is the first tier done, 3 to go. And this is it. 4-tiered wedding cake, ready to go into the fridge overnight. Alright, so our sponges, our cakes, have cooled down in the fridge overnight, and they have set perfectly. Now we're gonna put a second coat on it, and then they are ready. Let's do it. I've whipped up here some more cream, ganache, whipping cream and some mascarpone to get a very strong hold. So we want to keep some of these open bits because it's a half naked wedding cake. So I don't know if you can see this, but I put like cardboard boards, round ones, cake boards, like such, underneath the cake, just because I have to put some plastic dowels into the cake so every single layer is supported and that the cake doesn't, you know, get wonky or falls over or anything. Drop it! Cake number 3. Alright, so this is it, 4 cakes done. Now we let it cool down in the fridge again overnight, and then tomorrow we bring it to the restaurant and put it on top of each other, and then put some flowers around, and that's it basically. That's the wedding cake, what we're going to do. I'll show you tomorrow. See you later. So the cool thing about a small city is that you can just go to your neighbors and, you know, just get anything. Now we've got the elderflower, let's go to the venue. just arrived at the beautiful Lancaster Bären, and now we are ready to decorate the cake and set it all together. A couple of rabbits. Come on! So we've got everything ready. Right, let's start with the first tier. What we got to do now, we've got to cut our cake dowels. These little plastic thingies. Stick them into the cake just to make them support each other. Yeah, that's what we do now, one after the other. That's basically it. Have a look at this. And then we just cut them to size. And now we're ready to put the second tier on top of the first tier. Right, the church bells are ringing already. We need to hurry up now. Third tier goes on now.
Happy days, Tuesday, Wednesday, happy days, Thursday, Friday, happy days. The weekend comes, my cycle hums, ready to race to you. These days are
Cake stands. Perfect. Right, so next up we're going to take some of the ivy. We're gonna wrap it around the cake. Then we're also gonna take some of the, in German they're called Pfingstrosen. I'm not sure what they're called in English. If you know, let me know. I'm also gonna take some metal wire, some very, very thin metal wire, to just wrap around the ivy a little bit, to stick into the cake, so the whole thing is, you know, properly fit in place. Alright, let's stick it in. Alright, this is as far as we get it for now. The cake is going to be served at 10 o'clock tonight. I'm going to put fresh flowers on top, and they wouldn't stand fresh for that long, so we're going to put it in the fridge and just leave it for a moment. Alright, that's it. Let's go home, change. Right, we're just through the main course. The party is going on very well, and we're just coming back here to decorate the cake very quickly. 5 minutes. We took the flowers out of the fridge a couple of hours ago, and now they are open pretty nice. We're just gonna cut off the prettiest flowers. Just gonna place them around the cake. Right, the flowers are in. Perfect, everything went well. I think it looks quite nice. It looks pretty good. Right, the final piece goes on. Cake topper for Vera and Dirk. I'm gonna place it in the middle somewhere. So it comes up nice and high. This is the front, we can see our cake topper. Beautiful. I really like this one. Right, this is it. This is the final cake. It looks awesome, doesn't it? I really love it. We've got the flowers down here. We've got the elderflowers up there, out of the neighbor's garden, as you remember. We've got the cake topper up here, and a little tree trunk down here. Just looks amazing, doesn't it? I really love it. It's one of my favorite cakes I've ever done. Little half-naked cake, and I wish the couple a happy marriage. a long life together, lots of childrens, and you know, whatever you wish in this kind of situations. Now the party is still going on. I'm gonna go back and the cake will be coming soon. Alright, see you later. Thanks for watching. The next one is coming soon. Thank you, bye.